Hey all, let's see about linear regression in this video. By general definition, linear regression is a linear approach to modeling the relationship between a scalar response and one or more explanatory variables. Let me explain it clearly. Firstly, it is a statistical model that is used for predictive analysis. It makes predictions from continuous or numerical variables such as sales, salary, age, product price, etc. Let me show you an example. We can predict the sales done with how many hours of work the salesman done, the number of kisses a guy get based on time spent, and the salary of a employee based on the experience. Similarly, we can predict many things. The linear regression is simply called as line of fit. The equation is z equal a plus b into x, where x is an independent variable and y is an dependent variable. Let me show an example. In this table, there are two variables where salary and the year of experience of an employee is there. So when we plot this in a scatter plot, we get an image like this. When we use that equation, that is y equal a plus bx, we get that straight line. With that straight line, we can predict, for example, if x is equal to 5, the amount will be somewhere around 50,000 to 60,000. Most commonly, businesses use it to evaluate the trends and make forecasts, to analyze the report of price of customer behavior and buying intention, to assess different type of risks. And yeah, that's it about the concept. And if this video gets above 100 likes, I can make a programming implementation of linear regression. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe the channel, which is actually free of cost.